Hey, dude, you went to the wrong one. So what's up?
Chilling. Scratch there. Okay. Relays. This is what you need to use for your fans. I'll show you the way.
Dope.
And this stuff to make it look nice.
Sick.
Your
Little box. Dope. Come on in.
And you see, it's so big.
That's what she said.
I wanna know.
The one to the left.
Fuck. Damn. Chill, dude. Chill.
Yeah. Throw it out. Throw it out.
Crash. Oops. Technically cutting it.
So that's partially the final piece, right?
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
3 days later.
So a couple things that I have to change over. Oil cooling system on this old motor to that one. Turbo manifold, power steering. Had to put a new clutch in that one. And yeah. The new motor, it's a S14 SR20 and has a really a couple good things on it. So I'm just excited to run this motor. And I honestly miss driving that car, so. I just can't wait to drive this event, and hopefully everything goes pretty smooth from here on. (10/18) November 8th, and the motor looks like that. So got some decent progress on it, not too crazy, but yeah. So the adapter plate for the oil block off, or the oil block off plate, I got my lines here, is on. Got my other 750 injectors on. I think they're D-Shorts. Got the turbo manifold on in turbo. Had to install power steering still. And then I also have to do the clutch. I'm excited though to run it. Dude, that's it, man.
Can you change the clutch?
Yeah, we're gonna do that right now.
Oh boy. What?
Yeah, while you do electrical stuff, I'll be over here.
So your power?
Damn.
And I took some for, this is still 8 gauge, so it's gonna be your ground.
Sick. Hey dude, what are we doing today?
Finishing up your wiring so you can get this car ready for club loose hand.
So while I was dealing with this, Dillon was over here doing some mad scientist stuff.
Dude, just simple wiring. Looks nice though, right?
It looks really nice. Yeah, hit him up. He does this for free.
What?
Wait, what?
It's all wired.
It's all wired up?
Yeah.
Okay, so these should turn on, right?
Yep.
Okay, let's see it. Dude.
Yeah. So
Dude, you're a genius.
The cool thing about this, so let's say you have a pop fuse, right?
Yeah. The red light was on.
And
How
that
sick
gauge won't work.
is that?
I'm chilling. Hey!
Dude, we get it, you're a ricer, dude.
This isn't my car, that's my car.
What's up, man? You got the stuff?
I got the stuff.
Let's do it again, because I didn't get it on camera. I didn't get it again. Let's do it on camera. Here, one more time. Oh, you hoe. So you brought your tools too?
Yeah, they're in the trunk.
Okay.
They're in the trunk.
I think I got it.
So it needs to go down?
Yeah. Oh yeah, let's go.
Oh, is that in?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Put a bolt on it.
Fucking bot.
It's in there.
Zoom into us.